Hello children, welcome back to my channel. The chapter is number systems for standard 9 and this is part 5. So you would have practiced the problems done in our earlier parts. If you are already practiced, then these problems what we are going to do, the next few parts will become much more easier. Now this question is related to the laws of exponents. Now if you see 3 to the power of minus 1 and 3 squared, numerator and denominator, so we will bring it together, and similarly we will bring together the 5's, 5 to the power of 2 and 5 to the power of minus 4. So we are going to use a to the power of m by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of m minus n, and a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is what we are going to use here. So 5 to the power of 2 minus 4 by 3 to the power of 2 minus 1, the whole to the power of 1 by 3, into now 3 to the power of minus 1 minus 3, or you can bring it down so that it is positive. 5 to the power of minus 1 minus 5 by 3 to the power of minus 1 minus 3, the whole to the power of minus half. You write everything in the numerator also, you can do it. Or the same thing, instead of like this, you can write the whole thing, bring everything to the numerator, 3 to the power of minus 1 minus 2 into 5 to the power of 2 minus 4, the whole to the power of 1 by 3, into 3 to the power of minus 1 minus 3 into 5 to the power of minus 1 minus 5, the whole to the power of minus 1 by 2. Okay, I will continue with this only. So 3 to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 3. AB to the power of n can be written as a to the power of n, b to the power of n, into 5 to the power of 6 into 1 by 3 into 3 to the power of minus 4 into minus 1 by 2 into 5 to the power of 5 minus 1, this is 5 minus 1, 4 into minus 1 by 2. Now this will become 3 to the power of minus 1 into 5 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of minus 2. This is equal to 3 to the power of now 2 plus minus 1 into 5 to the power of 2 plus minus 2. So 3 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 0. So it is 3. 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So collect all the terms which are having the same base together and then simplify it. Cube root of 2 plus cube root of 16 minus cube root of 54. So now we have to simplify these. So cube root of 16 is equal to 16 can be written as cube root of 2 into 8 that is 2 to the power of 1 by 3 into 8 can be written as 2 cube into 1 by 3. So, it will become 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3, which can be written as 2 into cube root of cube 2. When you write cube root of, that 3 should be inside this V. Similarly, cube root of 54 can be written as, since it is cube root of, see some number where you can write some number to the power of 3, so that it will get cancelled. So, here you can write it as 27 into 54, sorry 27 into 2. So, that is 27 is 3 cube. So, 3 cube into 1 by, okay, I will write all the steps so that you understand it. This 27 into 2 whole to the power of 1 by 3. So, 3 cube into 1 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 3. So, this is 3 into cube root of 2. Now, substituting it, 2 plus cube root of 16 is 2 cube root of 2 minus 3 cube root of 2. Now, these become like such. Cube root of 2, cube root is there in all the 3 terms. So, 1 plus 2 3, 3 minus 3 0. Next, 6 to the power of n plus 3 minus 32 into 6 to the power of n plus 1 by 6 to the power of n plus 2 minus 2 into 6 to the power of n plus 1. Now, 6 to the power of n plus 3 can be written as 6 to the power of n plus 1 plus 2, which in turn can be written as 6 to the power of n plus 1 into 6 squared. We are writing this so that we can take common factor out, and similarly 6 to the power of n plus 2 can be written as 6 to the power of n plus 1, which in turn can be written as 6 to the power of n plus 1 into 6 to the power of 1. So, this is equal to 6 to the power of n plus 1 into 6 squared minus 32 into 6 to the power of n plus 1 by 6 to the power of n plus 1 into 6 minus 2 into 6 to the power of n plus 1. Now, we will take 6 to the power of n plus 1 common out. So, this will become 6 squared is 36 minus 32 by the denominator also 6 to the power of n plus 1 is common, 6 minus 2. So, this will 6 to the power of n plus 1 in the numerator denominator will get cancelled. 36 minus 32 is 4 by 6 minus 2 is 4 equal to 1. X to the power of a by x to the power of b, the whole to the power of 1 by ab into x to the power of b have to simplify this. So, you can either do like x to the power of a into 1 by ab by x to the power of b into 1 by ab into x to the power of b into 1 by bc by x to the power of c into 1 by bc. So we are using the laws of exponents. So while doing, keep the formulas in front of you. If you are not familiar with the formulas, keep it in front of you and then continue doing. Slowly you will automatically start by hearting the formulas. A and A will get cancelled, BB, BB, CC, CC and AA. So this will be x to the power of 1 by b by x to the power of 1 by a x to the power of 1 by b. When you are writing the power, write it little above so that you distinguish it that it is a power, not the base. X to the power of 1 by c. Now you can add everything. X to the power of, no, not add, you can even cancel this. X to the power of 1 by c, 1 by c and 1 by a, 1 by a, and we are left with equal to 1. So this is rationalization question. So we have 3 terms now. So we will take it separately, rationalize it and then simplify. Because if we do it together, it will become a mess. So we will take root 6 by root 2 plus root 3. So as I told you, you have to make your denominator a plus b into a minus b. So you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 2 minus root 3. So it will become root 2 whole squared will become 2 minus root 3 whole squared will become 3. So this is equal to root 6 into root 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this can be written as root 6 into root 3 minus root 2. That minus 1 I have multiplied in the numerator inside the bracket. So that became root 2 minus root 3 became root 3 minus root 2. So that your calculation becomes much more easier. So coming to the second term, again multiply by root 6 minus root 3 by root 6 minus root 3. So 3 root 2 6 minus 3. That is 3 and 3 will get cancelled and it will be root 2 into root 6 minus root 3, which can be written as root 12 minus root 6. Now the root 12 can again be further simplified as this root 12 is root 4 into 3. So it is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 minus root 6. So here also in the earlier step we can write this is actually root 18 minus root 12, which again can be simplified. No, I think we will do the simplification at the end so that don't waste your time, because some terms will get cancelled. So leave it like this now. What is the second term is 4 root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. 4 root 3 by root 6 plus root 2. root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 minus root 2. So it is 4 into root 18 minus 4 into root 6 by, or I will not multiply with 4. Root 3 into root 6 minus root 2 by 6 minus 2. So that 4 and 4 will get cancelled and you will be left with root 3 into root 6 minus root 2, that is root 18 minus root 6. Now you will substitute in the expression. So the first one will be root 18 minus root 12. So substitute root 18 minus root 12. Then it will be plus root 12 minus root 16. Root 12 minus root 6, sorry. Then again it is root 18 minus root 6. Oh, it's minus. So it is not, you cannot add, it is minus of. So it is root 18 and root 12 will cancel. Then root 18 and root 18 also will get cancelled. Root 12 plus root 12 minus root 6. Minus root 6 minus of root 18 minus root 6. So it will be root 18 and root 18 also will get cancelled, and minus root 6 plus root 6 also will get cancelled. The final answer is 0.